Success and failure, it's the time of year when we start to set goals for next year. Would that be important for you? Stay tuned. Hello again, everyone. I'm Eli's dad with Project Eli, where we educate, we lead, we inspire. I read a great article by a gentleman named Geozee. I have no idea what that is. Geozee, called 5 Habits of Very Determined People. I want to read it to you because it talks to the subject at hand, goal setting, and the mindset that we need to have in order to be successful. Let's make this year the year that you achieve the goal so that you can enjoy the success that you desire and you deserve. Here's the article. Many people set goals. Few start moving towards them. Challenges that usually open up ahead are not accessible, and so most people stay in theory. They're not ready to risk failing, sacrificing their social gatherings, or even some of their weekends. You know, success is not impossible to come. Many others before you have actually done it. What did they all have in common, among other things? They were determined. Thus, they managed to overcome the difficulties and obstacles reaching their incredible goal, whatever is defined for each one. So here are 5 habits that determined people have, and we can all learn something from these habits. First one, focus on the big picture. Everyday difficulties can hide the big goal. The short everyday life and everything that happens can take you off the road and lead you to the wrong path. Sometimes it's helpful to take a step back, process the data, and make the appropriate moves to show you where you want to go. Do not forget that to reach your big long-term goals, you'll probably need to make revisions along the way and receive helpful feedback. Do not let what happens every day hide the big picture. 2, they're not afraid to fail. These are determined people. A critical feature that even the most prominent entrepreneurs in the world have is they're not afraid to fail. Failure is the program, but it's not the end destination. A rejection, for example, gives you extra time to improve your project. A failed option can show you what is not working. Learn valuable lessons from failures, improve, and take steps forward. That's my way of saying get a new starting line. 3rd, avoid comparison with others. Nowadays, it is much easier to compare yourself with others because of social media. More and more people are posting about their successes, which may make you forget that they are still people prone to mistakes and failures. Do not be disoriented. Actual progress is not determined by who is ahead of you in life, but by how much better you are than you were yesterday. No matter what the goal is, there will always be someone in the world who is smarter, faster, or more specialized than you are. Keep that in mind. Be determined. 4th point about being determined. People focus on what they can control. The weather, the people around you, the way your neighbor behaves, or the opinion of strangers are things that will remain the same no matter how much mental energy you spend disagreeing or whether you wish it were different. An extremely determined person understands that the only thing worth worrying about is what he can control, the effort he makes, the words he says, his perceptions of events, and his final action. Focusing on everything else is a waste of valuable energy and time. 5th point habit that determined people have is they have patience and perseverance. No, you probably will not become a millionaire overnight, no matter what some people think. Success does not come immediately after the first step. You'll need many actions, experiments, changes, failures, and challenges that you have to overcome. It's essential to stay focused and keep on trying. Until the final goal, keep trying. As billionaire Jack Ma says, as long as you do not give up, you always have one more chance. Good article. Big shout out. Once again, let's have a very happy new year. Let's be determined. And always remember, don't ration the passion, fashion the passion. I'm Eli's dad.